Hi guys, welcome back to another video of mine. For this look, I will be first starting off by using Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow in the shade Sienna, and I'm using this as my transition shade, and I'm blending this in with a BH Cosmetic 101 brush. So the next shade I will be taking is Anastasia Beverly Hills. All of these shadows that I'm using are from ABH, and this one is in the shade Love Letter, and I'm applying this directly in my crease. So the next shade I am applying is Macaroon. I'm applying this all over my lids. I did apply the NYX Glitter Primer as a base first. I don't know, I guess I didn't show that part. But I applied that first just to help this eyeshadow not transfer into the crease or budge. It'll just stay right on my lid. Next, I will be applying the Wet n Wild's Mega Plump Mascara, and I did apply a wing and lashes, which are both optional, but the lashes I will be applying is the Lashed and Luxury Lashes in Prada. If you guys like these lashes and are interested, I will be leaving a link in the description box, as well as all the products I'm using and all of the brushes that I'm using. Moving on to skin, I will be first applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hydrating Oil all over my face. For foundation, I chose to use the Loreal Pro Glow foundation. I am in the shade 209 Caramel Beige. I chose this foundation because it is medium coverage, but you can build it up if you need any more coverage. And it has like such a natural finish to it. I wasn't going for, you know, like a super caked up full coverage look. This is more of a soft Valentine's Day glam. For concealer, I did mix two of them. One is the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus concealer and the other is the NYX HD concealer. I mixed these two. Oh my gosh, you guys, it gave me an amazing coverage, and they're both really affordable. So I'm going to just apply that underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to blend all this out with the same sponge I blended out my foundation with. Now I will be setting all the highlighted areas with Airspun powder, and I did mix this powder with the Benai banana powder to give it a more yellow undertone. So I did choose to cream contour, and I'm contouring with the Anastasia's contour stick in the shade Walnut, and I'm going to blend this out with their A30 buffing brush. And to contour my nose, I'm using the Sigma P89 brush to contour, and this is my favorite brush for contouring my nose. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's the best brush ever. And it doesn't look like much, but I don't like to contour too heavy. You know, I don't like it to look too harsh on my face either. So I'm going to go back over this contour with my beauty sponge. So I'm going to set the cream contour with the contour powders in the NYX Highlight and Contour palette, and I'm setting it with a contour brush that I got from Marshall's. So now I will be setting my makeup with the new Wet n Wild Matte Finish Setting Spray, and moving on back to the eyes, I'm picking up the shade Sienna once again to blend it on the lower lash line of my eyes. The brush I'm using is a Sigma E54 brush. Now I'm picking up the shade Pink Champagne to highlight my inner corners with, and the brush I'm using is a Anastasia A14 brush, their pencil brush. So for highlight, I'm using the Sigma ChromaGlow highlighting palette. I'm going to be taking the shade Ambrosia. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful pink highlight. And I'm going to highlight my face with the Anastasia's A23 highlighting brush. Next, I'm taking the Loreal Baked Brule blush, and I'm going to apply this on my cheeks with a Real Techniques blush brush. So I almost forgot to highlight my brow bone, and I'm just applying the same Sigma highlight that I use all over my face to highlight my brow bone. So to finish off the look, I am lining my lips with a dark brown lip liner, and for lipstick, I chose to use the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. And to top it off, I used the Anastasia's lip gloss in the shade Moonjelly, and this is the completed look. That is it for my soft Valentine's Day glam. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.